Hi. This is Ahmed. We will discuss how businesses record cash and check transactions in the cash book. You'll learn that a memorandum column, called the folio column, is included in the cash book, and you'll learn the reasons why this is done. You will learn how to make the necessary entries in the cash book and how to include entries for discounts received from creditors and allowed to debtors, both in their cash book and in the general ledger. A cash book is a financial journal that contains all cash receipts and payments, including bank deposits and withdrawals. Entries in the cash book are then posted into the general ledger. The cash book is the cash account and the bank account put together in one book. This means we can record all money received and paid out on the same page. In the cash book, the debit column for cash and the debit column for bank are together, and the credit column for cash and the credit column for bank are together. Bank statements. Periodically, or on request from the business, the bank sends a copy of the account in its books to the business. This document is known as the bank statement. When the business receives the bank statement, it checks it against the bank columns in its cash book to ensure that there are no errors. Do you know what is folio column? It is same as T account. The cash book has a details column that contains the name of the account in which the other part of the double entry has been entered. More information can be given by using folio columns. A folio column is drawn up in the cash book and the name of the other book and the page number is entered against every entry. The abbreviations used in the folio column are GL General Ledger SL, Sales Ledger Cent, Contra, PL, Purchases Ledger, Posting. The act of using one book as a means of entering transactions into the accounts, so as to perform or complete the double entry, is known as posting. Cash discounts. To encourage early payment of accounts, a business may accept a smaller sum in full settlement if payment is made within a certain period of time. Discounts allowed. Cash discounts allowed by a business to its customers when they pay their accounts quickly. Discounts received. Cash discounts received by a business from its suppliers when it pays what it owes them quickly. Posting discount allowed. W. Clark owed us £100. He pays us in cash on the 2nd of September 2012, which is within the time limit applicable for a 5% discount. Debit cash £95. Credit W. Clark £95. Debit discount allowed £5. Credit W. Clark £5. Posting discount received. The business owed S. Small £400. It pays him by check on the 3rd of September 2012, which is within the time limit laid down by him for a 2.5% cash discount. Debit S. Small £390. Credit bank £390. Debit S. Small £10. Credit discount received £10. Discount columns in the cash book. To reduce the number of entries in the general ledger, discount columns can be added to the cash book. The discount allowed column is added to the debit side of the cash book and the discount received column is added to the credit side of the cash book. The total of these columns will be posted to the relevant discount accounts. How the cash book would look with a discount column. Bank overdraft. A business may borrow money from a bank by means of a bank overdraft. This means that their business is allowed to pay more out of its bank account than the total amount it has deposited in the account. Up to this point, the bank balances have all been money at the bank, so they have all been assets, that is debit balances. When the bank account is overdrawn, the business owes money to the bank, so the account is a liability and the balance becomes a credit one. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and share the video. Subscribe this channel to remain updated.